Okay, so I'm about to go feed the baby. Baby being Polly. I'm going to show you all what that's like here on the farm. So, got some of the goat paddocks over there, cornfields in the back, little garden here. That's my trailer back there. This is the baby's pen. She's, as they say, she's hollering for me. Polly! Hey girl! Hey, come here! Her tail's wagging. Yeah, come on! Come on, it's dinner time! I'm coming, I'm coming. Come on. Come on, Polly. Polly. Yeah. Come to the gate. Good girl. Polly is a week old. She's a samaan goat? Samaan, something like that. S-A-M-A-A-N. She likes to walk between my legs. Come on, we're going this way. We're going this way. Come on. She'll follow me everywhere. It's very cute. Now let's see if I can set this up so that I can film it. Alright. Might move that chair back a little. Let's see. Not yet, sweetie. Down, come on. Come down. Okay. Come on. On my lap. On my lap. Good girl. No, don't fall off. Come on. Good girl. Alrighty. No, not my ear. Yeah, I got it. There we go. You gotta feed it on an angle like this. Come on, it's good girl. So it's just like the mom. Goes straight down her throat. And what they like is, don't fall. Don't fall. No, it's over this side. That's not your bottle. Come on. There we go. See, she wags her tail when she's happy. And the mum will bite her on the tail here, and that tells her to hurry up. Yeah, you got it. Good girl. It's just like a puppy dog when she wags that tail. She's happy. Look how fast you're drinking that, hey? Hey? Real hypo, and now she will settle right down when she's finished. She'll suck on my fingers for a bit, thinking there's more. And that's it. Good girl. It's a mixture of goat milk and formula. 2 parts goat milk, 1 part formula. 1 part. You gotta go. That's it. There's nothing left. There you go. There's milk. You wanna cuddle?
Hey.
Hello. You gonna say hello?
Huh?
No more. Little more. You can sit down, Polly. Oh, sweet. That's okay. That's now back. And that is how you feed a baby goat. Yeah? She doesn't have front teeth. She's bottom front teeth and then side teeth, but she doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt at all. She just suckles. And she'll get real sleepy here and she won't want to move. You won't want to move, do you? That's a goat kiss. That's a goat kiss, isn't it? Yeah? She's very curious. She'll want to lick everything, see what it tastes like. She won't eat it, she'll just want to touch it at that time. Yeah? She loves being petted on the head. She loves it. Pushes her head into it. Yeah? Yeah, you like that, yeah. Nice. So I feed her 4 times a day. And then she follows me around the farm. And she sleeps in my trailer. You're a funny thing. Hey, Polly? And that's Wesmar Farms. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Hey, you want to come back on? All right.